Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you didn't know by the title, we got new puppies and they're the most adorable thing that we own now. We're still deciding on the name, but we're thinking one should be named Mocha and the second dog should be named Coffee after, okay, I'll just get into the talk. So, if you didn't already know, Coffee, our little puppy, the one we made a video about, he passed away. When we left to America, he got sick and he passed away, and we were all so sad by that. Losing something so close to you, it really hurts. Coffee will be missed and he will be remembered. He will never be forgotten. Today, we start a brand new chapter. We have 3 new dogs and they're the most adorable thing ever. We're gonna keep a good eye on them, and they are here to protect our house and protect our family, but we will love them so much like we've loved Coffee. I hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, I guess I'm kind of excited, but we will miss our old dogs. We will never forget them. Oh god, they just bought new puppies. They just bought new puppies. 3 new puppies. Where are they? Oh god! You're bringing them so Why are they back? Oh my god, no they didn't.
No, you leave.
Cordis, send this to me.
Oh my god.
No, but what time?
There's this one that looks so freaking cute. Trying to find a place to sleep. My leg a place to sleep. Like in the leg. Coffee, Mocha, still thinking of the name.
Hey.
Sorry to wake you up. You can go back to sleep.
Hey. I end this video here with 3 new puppies. So happy. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, then bye.